Good morning, children. Continuation of chapter 12, perimeter and area. Now specifically area, because we are done with perimeter. Only the question number 10 which you can add through the graph paper. In graph, how we can add the perimeter and area, we can just have a look in the text.
The area revision.
Question number 10, we'll have a look in the text.
Sheet of graph paper. Measure their sides with the help of the lines on the graph paper. Write the perimeter of each in the right box. 1. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to cm. 2. Perimeter of rectangle F is equal to cm. 3. Perimeter of square PQRS is equal to cm. 4. Perimeter of rectangle stuff is equal to cm. AD, BC, PQ, SR, EF, HG, ST, VU, DC, AB, SR, MNSR. Figures given above, figure ABCD has 6 squares of 1 centimeter each inside it. It means that its area is 6 SQCM. P area revision. A PMT, a PMT, a PMT, a PMT.
So in this graph paper, children, when you draw this rectangle or a square, you can see in the graph paper there are squares of 1 centimeter. Inside that small squares are also there. Okay, so this rectangle, you can see it's covering up how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 6 square centimeter is the area of ABCD. Look at this square. Okay, that is MNRS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 square centimeter. Here you can see this one, PQRS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 square centimeter. Like this, using a graph paper also we can find out the area of the figure. Otherwise, we need to have the formula, that is area of rectangle length into breadth and area of square side into side. We'll start solving problems at 50. The first question is, children, the length of the side of each square is given below. Find its area. So square, length of the side of each square is given below. We have to find its area. The first one is 12 meter. Second is 6 meter, third is 25 meter, and fourth is 18 centimeter. So we'll first find out the first one, that is 12 meter. So the first question we have seen, children, side of the square is 12 meter, children. So area of the square side into side. So here substitute the value 12 into 12, side of the square side into side. So 12 into 12, 12 12s are 144. If you don't know, you multiply and you write down. Square meter. We write square meter because side into side is side square. Okay. So side of the square 12 meter. Area of the square side into side. Area of the square 12 into 12, that is substitute the value. So 144 square meter. Now with the second sum, children. Second sum is side of the square is 6 centimeter given, and area of the square we have to find out. Okay, we have to find out the area of the square. So area of a square is side into side. Substitute the value that is given. 6 into 6, that is 36. 6 is the 36 square centimeter. If the unit is centimeter, you have to write in answer also centimeter, square centimeter. If it is meter, then you have to write meter only, children. Okay, now we will see the next sum. Now the next question is, side of the square is 25 meter. Area of the square we have to find out. So area of a square is equal to, write the formula, children, side into side. Okay. Now substitute the value, that is 25 meter is the side, 25 into 25. Now multiply and write the answer. So if you don't know the answer by heart, children, you multiply and you write down table. If you don't know, 25 into 25, 625 square meter. Okay, so this is how you have to find out. Now the fourth question is for homework, that is 18 centimeter. This you will do for homework all by yourself. Okay, 18 centimeter. Now the next second main question, if the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees. Okay, if the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. So first what we have to do, if the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. So first we will have to find out the area of this particular plot, and this plot looks like a rectangle because 25 meter long and 20 meter broad, two different measurements, so it is a rectangle. So area of rectangle we will use, and we will find out the area of this plot, and then we will multiply with the 900 rupees to find out the total cost of the plot of the land, children. Okay, so we just read the question. Now the answer, the length of the plot of land 25 meter, breadth of the plot of land be 20 meter, area of the plot is equal to area of rectangle because the plot is rectangular in shape. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so it is 25 into 20, that is 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5 and 0, that is 500. You can multiply and see, children. I'll show you. Suppose this is a working 25 into 20. 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, put the cross, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, that is 500 you are getting. So 500 square meter. Okay, this is the working 500 square meter. So area of the plot we are getting as 500 square meter, children. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the total cost. So for total cost, what they are saying, cost of 1 square meter is equal to 900 rupees. Okay, therefore cost of 500 square meter of plot is equal to 900 into 500. Okay, is equal to, let us multiply. See, simple to multiply. 9 5s are 45, 45 and that many zeros, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So that means how much, children? 1 2 3. You can divide, put comma. So 4,50,000. So final answer we can write down as the total cost of the plot of land will be rupees 4,50,000. You have seen this, how easy it is to solve this sum. Okay, now we go on for the third sum. The side of a square is 4 centimeter, the length of a rectangle is 8 centimeter and its width is 2 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of both figures. We have to find out the perimeter and area of both figures, children. Okay, so first we write down the side of a square is equal to 4 centimeter. Perimeter of a square, 4 into side, that is 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. So we have found out the perimeter of the square, children. At the same time we will just find out the area, because in the question we have to find out both. Area of a square is equal to side into side, is equal to, side is what now? 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square centimeter. So look at that, children. Perimeter is also 16, area is also 16 of a square, but difference is this is centimeter and this is square centimeter. Okay, now let us find out the perimeter and area of the rectangle that is given in the question. Okay, now the next figure is length of the rectangle L is 8 centimeter, breadth of rectangle will be 2 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle will be 2L plus B is the formula. So 2 bracket L that is 8 plus B that is 2. That is 2 into 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. That is 20 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. Now we will find out the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle will be length into breadth, that is L into B. So what is L into B? 8 into 2, that is 16 square centimeter. 8 2s are 16. So 16 square centimeter. So we have already found out area of the rectangle. So once more I'll show you. They had asked us the side of a square 4 centimeter, perimeter of the square and area of the square. Perimeter of square we got 16 centimeter, area of a square we got 16 square centimeter. Then length of the rectangle we got 20 centimeter and perimeter of a rectangle we got 20 centimeter and area of the rectangle we got 16 square centimeter, children. So that's how we have found out question number 3, where they asked us to find out both side of a perimeter of a square and area of a square, perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. Now we will be doing the fourth sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16 meter long and 12 meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees? Okay. So what will be the labor cost of laying? Labor means the work that is done, construction work. The people who are doing the work, that is the labor work. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16 meter long and 12 meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees? So first we will find out the area of this hall, then we will multiply with 80 rupees. Length of the hall 16 meter, breadth of the hall 12 meter, area of a rectangle L into B and 16 into 12. Let's multiply, children. So we are getting 192 square meter. So area of the rectangle, that means area of the hall. Area of the hall is 192 square meter. Okay, now we will find out the total cost of labor cost. So labor cost of 1 square meter is equal to rupees 80. Okay, therefore labor cost of 192 square meter is equal to question mark. That means 192 into 80. Okay, that is equal to, let's multiply and write down. 8 2s are 16, 6 1 carried, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 1 73, 3 7 carried, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 7 15. Okay, and this 0 to that. So the answer we got 15,360 rupees. That means the final answer, the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall is 15,360. So this is the final answer. The labor cost of laying the floor of the assembly hall is 15,360. Now these two questions are for homework, children. In textbook itself you can complete it. Fifth question, you can see the squares, and if you complete that, you have to complete those squares. The picture alongside shows some squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. And sixth one, divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts in such a way that the area and shape of each part is the same. Color parts with different colors. So this fifth and sixth is for homework, children. You will complete this in your math notebook. Okay, children, with this chapter is completed. You can also have a look at this fair square. paired square, what does it say and what does it give, sort of. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.